Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Today, I'll be unboxing of my iPad Mini 5. So today is my birthday. So I'm 19 years old right now because I'm very excited with my new iPad. So yeah, I'm recovering this of my old iPad Mini 3. So yeah, cause I unboxed it back in 2015 in August. That recommends us. Dedicated by Ultra Arab. He has two iPads. The old one, it recognizes the others. So let's get right to the unboxing. So I'll put the camera down right there. Oh yeah, blah blah blah. So make sure I don't want my camera to be falling down. All right, now. Yep, 256 gigabytes. Yep, 256 gigabytes as a Wi-Fi, a space gray, and also we had a new one, and it came out like March 18th. So lightning cable and USB power adapters in all in the area, the iPad computer. So let's get right to the unboxing. Come on. Oh, there we go. Wow, look at this. That's my new iPad Mini 5. Yeah, let's come back after that. Let's see, we got the instruction manuals right here. And those are the instruction manuals, and we got all Apple stickers. All Apple stickers are inside. Yep. Stuck. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have. And a USB power adapter. That's a 12W. As you can see right here. And we got and also we have the USB cable, the lightning USB cable. And let's get back to the iPad Mini 5 itself. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty. Wow, look at this. My new iPad. Wow. Alright, now we got on our camera, but our camera in the back it's like 12 megapixels camera on the back, on the iPad logo, an Apple logo, and the front facing camera on the front, and the home button right here, and we got that power button and headphone jack, and 2 speaker grills, and the USB port right here, and volume button. That's all I got. And let's fire it up. So let's turn it on. Wow. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yep, I got it activated on my new iPad. So yeah, that's all I have. So if you're gonna subscribe for more content, it's a Privacy J Productions and a Privacy J Productions 2. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia, and Instagram is JTech727, and Snapchat is Scoot0727. Thanks for watching, and peace out.